Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. So, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check na lang. Okay, unahin muna natin yung mga in a relationship na Cancer. So, ibig sabihin, meron kayong commitment. Commitment with someone. For Cancer, anong energies coming to Cancer ngayong June 2024 sa kanilang love life? Love life. The Hierophant. The Devil. Parang may temptations, no? May temptations around you. If you are married. Or kung di mo temptations to, parang merong unhealthy habits sa relationship ninyo. But I think this is changing. With the Wheel of Fortune. Oops. So, some of you, Cancer, maaring yung relationship ninyo, lalo na yung mga kasal dyan, pwedeng can be in a toxic situation, pwedeng merong issues when it comes to honesty, no? Oo, trust issues, nagkaroon ng trust issues. I feel like yung person mo, magta-try siyang magbago. Okay? Magbabago siya. Pero, kapag nakagawian na niya kasi, mahirap baguhin. So, ito yung time na kung talagang gusto niya magbago, kailangan rin andun yung suporta mo sa person na to. Any form of addiction, obsession na nakakaapekto sa relationship ninyo, kailangan yung pagtulungan talaga no? You need to work on this relationship kung gusto nyo na maging successful yung connection ninyo, yung partnership ninyo. And with the Star card, this is about healing. Healing, ano man yung mga na pinagdaanan nyo in the past. And also forgiveness. With the Seven of Swords, ito yung pwedeng mag-relapse, no? Ibig sabihin, pwedeng bumalik yung dating form of addiction ng person mo or any unhealthy habits or situation, toxic energy sa relationship ninyo. Pagdating kasi sa mga ganitong agreement, it takes two to tango, 'di ba? Kung isa lang yung nag-e-effort yung isa, hindi siya supportive. So, masasayang rin yung effort ng isa, ng other person. Kumbaga, sabi nga pag sa relationship, sa kasal, marriage, sa hirap at ginhawa. So, kung sa ginhawa ka lang kasama, tapos sa challenges, wala ka. So, what's the purpose? Bakit pa kayo nagpakasal, diba? But I think, kung yung person mo, meron man siyang mga nagawang mali, kasalanan sa'yo, pagkukulang sa'yo, I feel like your person is tinatry niya yung best niya na maging better version ng sarili niya. Or pwede tong, reversal yung role. Pwedeng ikaw to, na you are trying your best to be the better version of yourself pagdating sa relationship. Kung ikaw yung sa tingin mong may pagkukulang, So, kailangan dito is magtutulungan kayo. What else for Cancer? Okay. You may be dealing with a person na dark yung kanyang hair, dark skinned, morena. Spiritual growth, you are learning from each other. Yung inyong challenge na pinagdaanan, natututo kayo doon. Dating. So, I think you are going to make efforts, or your person will also make efforts para ayusin yung mga trust issues, misunderstanding ninyong dalawa in the past. I think this relationship is worth it, no? Kung gusto mo talagang ma-save tong relationship na to, then you also kailangan mo ring mag-effort. Anong gustong sabihin? Anong message ng person? I'm praying you'll come back after everything that's happened between us. I worry that you won't forgive me and allow me another chance. Okay. So, your person, talagang pwedeng meron lang siyang trauma na pinagdaanan in the past na nakaapekto sa kanyang mga behavior, yung mga ginagawa niya. So, gusto niya na maayos. Oo. Bigyan mo siya ng chance to work things out. Pwedeng kayo mag-uusap. Ito naman yung feelings or gusto mong sabihin. I'm trying to understand how my thoughts create my reality. I know I need to stay positive. Are you? Ayan. So, I think you are both tinatry nyong ayusin tong relationship na to, or itatry nyong ayusin ngayong June. It's part of your growth Hindi naman pwedeng dahil may problema lang aalis ka na sa relationship. Pwede kasing hindi lang siya yung may issue, pwedeng ikaw rin. Well, nobody's perfect. So, ang importante rin dito is willing kayo na magbago, mag-heal from your past, and work things out. Okay, let's see your final message for Cancer. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply, no? Hindi siya mababaw na pagmamahal, malalim siya. Okay? So if you really love the person that you are dealing with, you will accept the flaws, yung mga pagkukulang, pagkakamali, as long as this person is willing to change, willing siyang magbago, 'di ba? Bigyan ng chance. But of course, nasa sa inyo pa rin 'yan, okay? So let's see naman sa mga single na Cancer. Mga walang commitment ngayon. What's coming sa mga single na Cancerian ngayong June 2024? Single Cancerians. The Justice card. Yung iba sa inyo rito kaya single kasi parang meron kayong natuklasan na kalokohan ng person that you're dealing with. Hindi pa kayo naka-move on. Andun pa kayo sa process of moving on, moving forward. You are still, kumbaga, iniisip mo, paano ka naisahan? Paano nangyari to? Bakit hinayaan mo mangyari to? Tumatakbo sa isip mo yung regrets, yung mga bagay na nawala sa'yo, yung mga bagay na dapat sana ay meron ka. But I feel like with the 8 of Cups, you are leaving that situation. Oo. Ngayong June, willing ka na to finally move on, to finally move forward. Pwede kasing trinay mong ayusin yung relationship sa past. pero hindi talaga nag-work. Magkaiba na parang magkaiba na kayo ng mindset. So, hindi na kayo in alignment of what you really want moving forward pagdating sa relationship. And ito na yung time na naliliwanagan ka na, no? Sa gusto mong mangyari. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. I feel like isa sa mga naging issue mo from your past is yung appreciation. Hindi ka na-appreciate. Parang yung existence mo, feeling mo, hindi ka binavalue ng person mo. And yun yung nag-lead sa'yo para umalis or to move to a new direction. But still, nandun kayo. Iba sa inyo, nasa-stuck pa rin sa ganung energy na bakit ganon? Bakit hindi ka binalue? Bakit hindi ka pinahalagahan? Sayang yung effort na binigay mo. Wala. Kung wala na siya sa eksena, then just continue moving on and move forward. Because there is something better coming in para sa inyo. But I think ngayong June, nandun ka, yun yung proseso na pagdadaanan mo. What's next after June? Oh. What's next after June is a new person. Or a new source of happiness. Pwedeng sa sarili mo yan manggagaling or can be offered by someone. Okay? So, itong June, itawid nyo lang siya. No? Itawid nyo na siya na to move on and move forward. Kasi after June, there's a new happiness. Source of happiness can be a new romantic partner coming into your life. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!